What's up, mi gente? Take out your big pot because we're gonna get to cooking today. Extra virgin olive oil with some sunflower and into the pot. Just like so. Have your bone-in chicken of choice. I have chicken wings at home, so that's what I'm gonna be using today. Now I'll be adding some adobo, some garlic, some chicken bouillon. Now we are going to be adding on our wings So like I was saying, just make sure that you have enough room so that we can brown them. Now we'll let them start to brown for a few minutes, turn them around, and then add our Coca-Cola. And now while our chicken is browning, we're going to be cutting up this red onion. You can just cut them into big pieces just like this. Then we're going to be adding them onto the pan and mixing them up. After our onions cook down a little bit, we'll be adding on our Coca-Cola. Now for some garlic pepper and then our top secret ingredient, which is the Coca-Cola. I added about 2.5 cups of Coca-Cola, enough for it to cover the wings up and allow them to simmer. Now give everything a really good mix so that you can make sure that all of the wings are evenly distributed inside those juices and cover it up. Now let's open it back up 15 minutes later and add some browning. Now mix in that browning really, really well and put the lid back on and allow it to continue to simmer and cook down for another 15 minutes. It should start looking like this. And there it goes, perfectly cooked. And look at the color on these chicken wings. They're literally falling off the bone. I highly recommend this top secret recipe. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.